If your 2019 Toyota RAV4 is refusing to start, don't panic, as it is often a simple electrical issue. Statistics show that 80% of no-start situations are caused by a weak battery or poor connection. Let us break down the diagnosis process to get your SUV back on the road. Always start by checking your battery terminals, dash lights, and any blown fuses in the engine compartment. The most common culprits are a dead battery, a corroded ground strap, or a faulty brake light switch. If those check out, you might be looking at a failed starter solenoid or an ignition relay short. Cleaning terminals is a great DIY task, but internal starter or ECU issues belong in a professional shop. Repair costs vary wildly, with simple relays costing $50 versus $450 for a starter. Use a multimeter to confirm battery voltage and an OBD-I scanner to pull any hidden error codes. Make sure you have a 10mm wrench, a multimeter, and proper safety gear before you start. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery terminal first to prevent any electrical shorts. Check your connections first, and if you're still stuck, it's time to call a professional technician.